So I just finished pulling apart a HP 8500 printer, and the amount of parts that make up that printer is absolutely incredible. There are probably over 2,000 parts if you count all the little parts and the microchips and everything that make up that printer. And it's amazing how they can put all that together and sell it for a reasonable price. But these are the three main parts that I was after. The three motors. This is the largest one that I recovered. There were four in all, but one of them was very small, and I don't think it will work very well for the e-bike. Some more useful parts that I came out with are all kinds of gears and belts and all kinds of springs that I think maybe I could integrate into the electric motor to get it turning. There were a lot of metal rods that these gears were on that ran papers through the machine. There were all kinds of screws and fasteners, metal fasteners that I think I can use. Tons of electrical wiring, all kinds of different circuit boards, capacitors, resistors, a lot of different electrical components, zip ties, tape. There were all kinds of things in this printer, magnets, just a lot of different things that I think I can use on this e-bike in different ways to try to get it running fast and efficient. So now I have drawn up some diagrams of some ideas for the e-bike system. Here's a rough sketch of including the battery pack and kind of the belt system that I'm thinking of using. And then next, this is kind of the original hub motor design and battery pack, and kind of an early idea with the throttle included, and some of the branding that I think would help make this bike stand out. And then this was another design idea that I came up with using 4 motors and a similar belt system. So we'll see what the final engineered idea comes out to look like. And then this is kind of a general battery pack idea. I'll include another nice video of how to make your own e-bike battery pack, because it's kind of a key part of this process. And these are some early material kind of brainstorming, showing the difference between a regular buy it e-bike versus build yourself e-bike. And this is another general materials diagram that I've come up with, kind of bouncing around. I'll include some photos here of the other materials that I have purchased, and these are some of the cheapest powerful batteries that I've found. I find a lot of good products on Alibaba. You can get the app AliExpress, and you can get some really powerful, as you can see, 99 or 9.9 amp 3.7 volt batteries. Connect those in series and get say a 56 volt battery pack of nearly 10 amps. And I'll be connecting those with this nickel wiring that you can solder on to the top, solder weld onto the top of your batteries. And I'll be controlling all that with a throttle that's already pre-made, because it's just helpful and it's a great price. So like and subscribe to see how the e-bike comes out. Definitely making progress, and can't wait to show you more in part 3. Thanks.